In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your audio device in Premiere Pro, and this is the 2021 version, but honestly, it hasn't changed since back in 2015 when I started using the program. So, first thing you want to do is go up in the top left-hand corner, click Edit, go down to Preferences, and you can click any one of these, but we're going to click Audio Hardware. The reason I say you can click any one of these is because you get the second menu here, where you can go down to Audio Hardware. For Windows, the device class is MME normally, and that's just what I found. ASIO for a device that uses ASIO drivers, but normally your devices are going to be using MME. And then you're going to find your default input and default output. So whether I want that to be the chat mic for my default input, and let's say I want my system default. The system default is going to appear on top now. That's new, but my system drivers here. Now this last one's kind of important too. This is your clock. So this sets basically everything in Premiere is set to your audio device. So if your audio device isn't working, your Premiere timeline won't work normally. Whether you wanted to set it to your in or your out. If you change your output device often, I would recommend setting it to your in, because normally people aren't changing their microphones often. But if you're changing your microphones often, like you're recording multiple things or you need to plug in different microphones, change it to out. Set your clock to whatever you change the least, because that's going to help you a lot in the future and going to save you headaches when you're changing through devices, whether you're changing your outputs or your inputs. Now, it shouldn't really matter if you're using like an audio interface or something. These are just going to say whatever those audio inputs are, or that audio interface is, and changing microphones there shouldn't really affect anything unless it turns it off in software. So that's a little bit too advanced for most people, but what you really want to make sure is that your clock is set to whatever you're going to change least. If you're not going to change anything, don't worry about it. Just make sure that these two are set to what you need them to be set to. Like your output is your headphones and your input is your microphone.